Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I have an exceptional Mercedes-Benz to share with you. This is a 2019 Mercedes AMG C43 convertible with only 52,000 miles. It has over $11,000 in factory options, some of which we'll check out in this video. This AMG C43 is available at the date of this video post here at AlphaCars. You can view all the technical information about the vehicle, including the pricing, on our website, alphacars.com. That is at the top of the description below. You're just one click away at any time from that information. Keep in mind we do offer vehicle transportation as well. And some of the options this has includes the AMG Performance Exhaust, this Designo Diamond White color, and as we peeked in the interior just a second ago, it has the AMG Carbon Fiber Trim as well. So this video is going to be a condition overview of this AMG C43, but we will touch on some of the standout features and options as well. And we did confirm it's all factory original paint on all the metal panels. You can view the paint thickness readings on that online listing. But with all that being said, let's get into the overview. First, let's do an exterior walk around of the Mercedes, and we'll get to know it a bit better. As we come around the back, we can see that black tipped AMG Performance Exhaust there. And of course, we can see into the interior as well. Cranberry red and black leather upholstery. Such a nice place to be, such a great color combo. And sun is kind of coming in and out of the clouds, so we'll get to see the paint in some different lighting, which is cool. Well, now let's get a little more picky. We'll get up close and personal with the painted surfaces, and I'll bring out any sort of imperfections that can be seen. So starting at the front of the vehicle, headlight lenses, front bumper, all is very presentable. It's in very good shape. And you can see the pinstriping. Very nice touch. It really brings all the colors of the car together. It sort of has the interior color and the wheel color, that sort of like silver, sort of anthracite contrast there. Brings it all together, looks awesome. I will note on the front bumper, there is the little blemish right here, just a little rock chip. And right here, there is the minor little scuff. That's really it up at the front of what I can see. The headlight lenses are very clear, might have already said that, but the grille, everything up here does look excellent. Now as we make our way down the passenger side, let me go at the angle where we can see any dings, dents, or scratches. We can tell that the way the light reflects is very consistent, and everything's looking very good on this side. Now at the trunk, sort of rear deck lid, that aluminum trim around the vehicle looks good. Trunk lid, rear bumper, black diffuser. Yeah, it's all looking good back here. Now let's go down the driver's side of the vehicle, and we'll give it the same treatment here. And I'm not seeing anything to report on the driver's side. This car is very clean. You'll see it in person. It looks really, really good. And lastly, we'll take a look at the wheels. These nice AMG wheels. Overall, they look excellent. They do have a couple little scuffs on them here and there. This side does look pretty good. I don't see anything that jumps out. This side has the little kind of scuffing right here. Honestly, that would probably polish off of the wheel face. Big AMG calipers in the front. And now at this rear wheel, and this wheel looks really good as well. There's just the light kind of cosmetic scuff right here, but honestly that feels like some material on the wheel, maybe from tire mounting actually. So that could probably be cleaned up, but just want to point that out. We are full transparency here. And now at the push of a button, the trunk pops right open. And in the back, we do have factory mats for the vehicle. You can see the AMG logos on there. All these mats look great. I don't see Even on the driver's one here, there's really little to no wear. And now with the mats removed, we can see under here we've got a ton of storage. And even in the trunk itself, it's pretty spacious. And right now, since the top is down, you have this compartment here that stows the top. But when the top's up, you can actually push this flat. It kind of sucks up into the trunk, and the seats fold down. So that's what these switches are in the left and the right of the trunk. You might be wondering, why are there window switches in here? This is for each left and right rear seat. So you can see how this popped open. And then you can do both, and you've got the massive pass-through. So with the top up and that sort of compartment stowed away, you actually have a lot of cargo space in the C43. And now rounding out the trunk segment, this button does not close the trunk. Rather, this actually drops this down. So you push this up by hand when the top is up, and then when you want to drop that down to use the top again, you press this button and it actually does it automatically for you. So that's pretty cool. Now let's get into the interior. And I guess starting at the back, we can actually move this forward. You pull this lever and it actually moves forward for you. And yeah, the condition of everything back here looks great. There's a little bit of dust here and there. We've had this out front of our facility for a couple nice days here with the top down to show it off. But yeah, I mean, the material, everything is looking great. Nothing to report there. Checking out this door card, all sorts of different buttons and controls. This front one is for the ventilated headrest. So you can see there's fans in there, and it blows the air over your sort of neck and shoulders. And then you've got ventilated and heated seats, plus the 3-position memory on both sides. And yeah, once again, you can just see the condition of everything is very nice. The illuminated AMG door sills. And yeah, this passenger seat here, I don't see really any evidence of wear or damage. You can open the glove box, and there are some factory booklets in there. You can view the pictures of that on the website. There are multiple keys for this vehicle as well, which once again, you can view the pictures on the listing on the website. You can push of a button here, and we've got a center console. This works nice and smooth. Now let's make our way to the driver's side. I will operate the top and show you that as well. And you can see you just fold that back and it moves right back where it was. It all works great. Door card here, door panel, looks good as well. Aluminum pedals there. And the driver's seat looks really nice as well. No obvious wear or damage. You can tell, you can tell someone drove it for a little bit. Someone got in and out a few times, but completely normal for the material. Nothing out of the ordinary. Looks very good. Now we're gonna get in, and with one push of a button, starts right up. Sorry, I had the camera down for a second there. Sounds great with that AMG exhaust, and it is valved, so you can have it louder or quieter, which is pretty cool. You can see there, 52,329 miles. AMG steering wheel, nice flat bottom, thick areas to grab, and it all looks really nice. Really, all the controls, everything in this interior looks excellent, especially this factory carbon. The clock there, got the paddle shifters. So really just an awesome place to be. And if we pull this button here, that deploys our extra wind protection. So there's actually the spoiler at the top of the windshield frame. So that comes up, and coupled with the screen back here, this also comes up with the push of that button. Mercedes engineered that to help with the wind over the vehicle. And we can push the button again, and everything goes up and down on its own. Let me show you again that rear screen. Pretty cool. That certainly beats having to manually install and uninstall something in your convertible, like you have to do in most. Now let's operate the top though. So we're gonna put a foot on the brake, hold down on the button here, and you can see there, it's all done. Now we can get out and check out the top condition. It does have the red top to match the interior. Actual glass in the back, it is heated as well. And yeah, I mean, you can see the top condition. It's in really nice shape. It's got the normal couple of like fold marks in it. All soft tops will do that. Really nothing out of the ordinary, no like staining or anything like that. You can tell the car was very well cared for. Now if we check this out, there is this button with 4 windows on it. If you pull that, it does all the windows at once. So all 4 windows at once, pretty cool. And you can do the same, you can put them all down at once. And it all works good. And now we're gonna put the top back down. Show you that works. Holding up on it here. And we can watch it do its magic. No abnormal noises or anything, very smooth. And you get the little bing there that it is all good to go. So now lastly, I think what I'm gonna show is the engine compartment. That's kind of the last thing on the list. Very potent powertrain in this Mercedes. Got the red engine cover here. Very clean under here, very orderly. You can see there's no witness marks on the fender bolts. Also a testament to the original paint. You can see the hood bolts there as well. No witness marks, has never been disturbed. And I may have mentioned it earlier in the video, but you can view all the individual thickness readings for each panel on our website on the listing. So definitely give that a click below. But yeah, everything's idling very smoothly and happily down here, or under here rather. And now that we've seen the 385 horsepower BiTurbo V6, we're gonna hear it. So this car has the AMG Performance Exhaust. Right now the valves are closed, so it's in its sort of normal or quiet mode. So I'm gonna put my microphone just a few feet behind the exhaust, so you will be hearing it as if you were standing behind it. And then we're also gonna hear it with the valves open. So let's do it. And now that we've completed the overview of the C43, I want to thank you for watching this video. Do keep in mind, if you are interested in this vehicle, you are one click away from the availability and the pricing, and we do offer vehicle transportation as well. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. If the video was helpful, leave a like on it, and be sure to subscribe to not miss future motoring content.